Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel The AG. In today's video, I am going to share you how to prepare Kadambam or Sambar rice, which is no onion and no garlic recipe. This recipe takes about 30 to 40 minutes of time and it's very easy to cook and rich in protein. To prepare this recipe, take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. And to this add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds and urad dal. Now add 1 inch of chopped ginger and 3 to 4 slit green chilies. Saute them on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add vegetables of your choice. Here I have added pumpkin, bottle gourd, cauliflower, carrots, beans, green peas. Let them saute for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add any number of vegetables of your choice according to the season and availability of the vegetables. In this recipe I have added 7 to 8 varieties of vegetables. You can add a minimum of 4 vegetables in this recipe. After that I have added brinjal, lady's finger, sweet potato and potatoes. I have roughly chopped all these vegetables and added into the pan. Now add 3 to 4 red chilies and 1 bunch of curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover and cook on low to medium flame. Let it slow cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. If you see the color of vegetables have changed, this means that vegetables are half cooked. Now at this stage add sambar masala and add 2 tablespoons of sambar masala. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Recipe link of sambar masala or sambar powder is provided in the description box below. Please check it out. Add 1/4 cup of tamarind juice and 1 cup of water. Here I have extracted tamarind juice by soaking 1 big lemon size amount of tamarind into water for 15 minutes. Then separated the pulp from the tamarind. On medium flame, let all the vegetables cook till they are soft. If you open and check, our vegetables are completely cooked. At this point, add 1 cup of dal. Here I took dal mixture of Toor dal and moong dal. I have pressure cooked them on medium flame for 3 to 4 whistles. Pressure is released. I have mashed it and added to these vegetables. Now add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Now our sambar rice base mixture is ready. Now we have to add cooked rice. Here I took 2 cups of cooked rice and added to the mixture. Mix well so that everything comes together. You can adjust the consistency by adding little amount of water. In this recipe, I have separately cooked rice, dal and vegetables so that they don't turn mushy and the texture of vegetables and rice could be seen. Our sambar rice or kadambam is ready. Top it with 1 tablespoon of ghee. And our simple, delicious and nutritious kadambam or sambar rice is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you do like this recipe, please like this video and share this video with your family and friends. If you're first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel The AG and click on the bell icon so that you could receive any notification as soon as I post a video in my channel. Thank you for watching.